Hi, this is John with WTI, and I work from home. As you may know already, I have to constantly be up in meetings, and I live in a kind of loud environment. And I need some good noise cancellation whenever I'm in Zoom meetings, I'm in any other meeting with my personal business. And when I have to record audio that I feel like is not gonna have any type of noise background, these earbuds, these headsets from Jabra are a really good option. When it comes to blocking your surroundings, when it comes to having like a comfortable headsets to have hours and hours working in there, these are a good option for you. They have good sound quality. They have a great noise isolation. Like you can barely hear anything when it comes to having a conversation through Zoom. And the other person is gonna just listen to crystal clear, crisp audio that is going to have no problem for you. So if you're looking for a good set of headsets to work in from home, comfortable, these are a really good option for you. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.